Welcome to Cunnekt, your trusted WhatsApp business API solutions provider. In this video, you'll learn how to onboard your number on WhatsApp Business API using Cunnekt in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Once you're logged into the Cunnekt dashboard, look for the Add Channel button and click on it. A pop-up will appear with the following onboarding options. First option is Standard API Onboarding. The Standard API Onboarding allows businesses to start using the WhatsApp Business API in two ways. You can register a new number or migrate an existing API number from another provider. Second option is Coexistence with Business App. You can choose this option when your phone number is already registered on the WhatsApp Business app, and you want to register the same number on the API. We recommend choosing Standard API Onboarding since the Coexistence option has certain limitations. Now, click on the button Standard API Onboarding. A new pop-up appears with a Login with Facebook button. Click the button to go to the Facebook login page. Enter your valid Facebook username and password, then log in. Once you're logged in, you'll see a Continue button. Click on it to proceed. On the next screen, you'll be asked to choose your business portfolio. If you already have a business portfolio, simply select it from the list. If not, click on Create a Business Portfolio to set up a new one. Now, you'll need to enter your business information. Fill in the following details. Name. This is your documented business name, which must be displayed in the website footer for legal compliance. Email. This is the email ID you will use. Category. This is the business category you are operating in. Country. The country of your business it will be selected by default. Website. This is the URL of your business website. Once you've filled everything in, click Next. Now comes an important step, adding your phone number. For this, here are two options you can choose from. Display name. Display name is a Meta-provided virtual number for WhatsApp business messaging, but this number cannot be used for running Meta ads due to platform restrictions. Add a new number. You can select this option to use your own phone number. Click on Add a new number. Some fields will populate on the same screen. Now, select your country code and enter your phone number. Next, choose your preferred method of verification. Message. Choose the message option to receive a verification code via text message. Phone call. Choose the phone call option to receive a verification code via phone call. Once you've selected your preferred method, click Next. Now you will receive a verification code on your phone number provided in the next window. Enter the code in the field provided and click Next. A permission review screen opens, showing requests to manage your WhatsApp account. Click Continue. Now you will see a success confirmation screen with a Finish button. Click the Finish button, and you're done. You'll be redirected back to the Cunnekt dashboard. Now, your WhatsApp Business API account is active. You can test your account activation by sending a WhatsApp message to the registered number. Its chats will reflect in your chat menu. People who have used the Cunnekt Cloud API for the onboarding process can add payment methods on Facebook for conversation pricing. You can also increase your daily WhatsApp messaging limit from 250 to 2,000 by undergoing Facebook business verification. Watch our video link in the description to learn more about the Facebook business verification process. To know more about Cunnekt features, click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.